Okay, this is on a 2017 E43. We end up adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm. That way we can avoid the theft of the rims. Okay, to on the system, you're gonna hit lock, the same thing you've been doing before. And pretty much the way it works is if somebody tries to bust out the lug nut locks out, hopefully the customer will buy and put 2 or 3 per rim. That would be fantastic. But in any event, I'm going to show you how it's triggered. I'm going to take my 5th and I'm just going to punch this little rim here. I'm going to go ahead and shut off the alarm by hitting unlock. Basically, this is all incorporated with the factory alarm, so you don't have to add any extra alarm. You have to carry another remote control. That's the beauty of this whole thing. Keeps everything factory. It's a very clean installation. This is the shock sensor add-on to this 2017 C43. And I'm going to go ahead and also protects somebody tries to break the window, of course. I'm going to bang in the glass real quick. Okay. Shut off the alarm. Arm it again. It is fully adjustable. We adjusted it where we think the sensitivity is going to be good. It's not going to be going off all the time. This is basically, you know, the years that we've been doing this. We got the sweet spot where we calibrate these sensors. So you don't want to go any more sensitive than this. Otherwise, you're going to run yourself into situations that you could have a lot of false triggers, like in indoor parking lots with the vibration of the floor, or if you live by the airport, or you got somebody that drives around with a loud exhaust system in their vehicles. That can also trip the alarm. But other than that, it should be pretty clean. You should not have any difficulty with the false triggers. I'm going to go ahead and do this side of the rim now, the other side of the vehicle. And that's the shock sensor add-on. This installation was done here in Miami, Florida by Auto Line Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. Thank you for watching this video.